तो कैसे हैं मित्र लोग? As you know, I am Ankit. Here I am going to talk about nanotechnology, where I will discuss its type, benefits, potential uses of nanotechnology, application of nanotechnology, and some job role in nanotechnology, and future and trends of nanotechnology. So watch till end, guys. I hope you will enjoy my video and learn something new from my content. So let's start it. First of all, let's talk about what is nanotechnology. The term nanotechnology was first used by Norio Taniguchi in 1974. The nanotechnology is a multidisciplinary field of science that deals with manipulation and study of matter at nanoscales, which is 1 billionth of a meter. Nanotechnology, known as nanotech, is the use of matter on atomic molecular scale for industrial purpose. Nanotechnology may be able to create new materials and devices with a vast range of applications, such as nanomedicine, nanoelectronics, biomaterial energy production. Nanotechnology has potential to change the many fields, including medicine, electronics, energy, material science, environmental science, etc. So let's move ahead in video. Now I am going to talk about potential use of nanotechnology. The first one is healthcare. Nanotechnology has potential to change the healthcare by enabling the development of new treatments, drugs delivery system, and diagnostics. Nanoparticles can be engineered to target a specific cells or tissue, which could lead to more effective and targeted treatment for disease like cancer. Second one is electronics. Nanotechnology can be used to create faster, smaller, and more efficient electronics devices. For example, nanoscale transistor can be used to create faster and more powerful computer chip. And the third is energy. Nanotechnology can help to improve energy efficiency, reduce the environmental impact of energy production. For example, nanomaterials can be used to create more efficient solar panels and energy devices. The fourth one is material science. Nanotechnology can be used to create new and improved material with unique properties. For example, nanoparticles can be used to create a stronger and lighter materials for use in construction and aerospace industry. And the fifth is environmental remediation. Nanotechnology can be used to clean up contaminated site and remove pollutants from environment. Nanoparticles can be engineered to break down or remove pollutants from soil and water. Let's move ahead in video. Now I am going to talk about some job roles in the field of nanotechnology. First is nanomaterial scientist, researching and developing new materials and testing their properties. And the second one is nanoelectronics engineer, for developing and designing electronics devices using nanoscale components. And the third is biomedical engineer, for using nanotechnology to develop medical devices and treatments. The fourth is nanotech product manager, for overseeing the development and commercialization of nanotechnology products. And the fifth one is environmental scientist, for researching the environmental impact of nanomaterials and developing safe disposal methods. Do you know, guys, the global nanotechnology market is projected to reach $125 billion by 2024, driven by the demand of new and improved market materials, devices, and technology. Let's move ahead in video. Now I am going to talk about future trends and facts. The future of nanotechnology is promising with continued advancement in research and development. Some notable trends and facts include the increase in investment, new materials, growing market, and ethics concur. The global investment in nanotechnology is expected to reach $125 billion by 2024. Researchers are nowadays discover new materials with unique properties such as graphene and carbon nanotubes. The global market of nanotechnology product is projected to reach $4.2 trillion by 2023. So let's talk about how you can become a nanotechnologist. The first step towards becoming a nanotechnologist is to obtain bachelor degree in relevant fields such as physics, chemistry, material science, or engineering. Some university offers a specialized program in nanotechnology और नैनो साइंस. सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा. ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो हमारे चैनल पे आती रहेगी तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, द टेकपीडिया, वेयर वी विल एक्सप्लोर मोर डिफरेंट डोमेन एंड फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी.
मजा आया.